Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and today I'm going to talk about the best Forex trading strategy that I have discovered in 2022, right? Okay, so the strategy is very simple. You can use it on any time frame, even Forex, crypto, whatever you use. Okay, so let's move towards the indicators. So please make sure that you do the same settings as I am going to do in this video, right? So the first indicator that I will be using is the SSL hybrid. Okay, and if I go to SSL hybrid, so you can see this is by Mehical 007083 traders are using this one. Okay, the second indicator that we will be using is the moving average exponential. I have also, you can see it is attached on my screen. The third indicator that I will be using is the RSI. Okay, so relative strength index. Clear? Okay, so you can see the three indicators are attached on my screen. Do not worry about anything because now we are going to make some changes. Okay, so if I go to the first indicator that we have attached, SSL hybrid, going to the settings and style section, so I'm going to uncheck all other things, MA baseline, SSL color, bar color. I will keep baseline upper channel and baseline lower channel, and SSL2 I will also remove all other ATR. And if I go to the plot backgrounds, then I will do some little bit of changing inside it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the opacity to full. So right now, if I can show you, there is a opacity option. There will be a opacity option in the downward side, so you will choose it to 100% so that they should look on your screen prominent. So for example, look at these two colors, look at this box, and now I will change the opacity to 100, and you will see this will turn color into the color. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have done, and the second thing we are going to do is the ATR period. So this is 50 into 5. Okay, so we will change this one and then I will press OK, right? Okay, the second indicator is the EMA. So I'm going to change it, the length from 900 to 200, and the style section, if I go here, I'm going to give a yellow color and then I press OK. Okay, so the two indicators are done. So right now I have the settings for the third indicator. Go to the RSI, just keep the RSI and RSI middle band, uncheck all others, right? Okay, so uncheck all others. Okay, and if I go to the middle band, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a yellow color and going to set up the opacity 100 like this. Okay, now my trade setup is completely ready to trade, and I can use this setup very good in a nice manner, right? Okay, so now let's talk about the time frame. You can use any time frame, that's not a problem. So you can use any kind of time frame. So I'm just going to give you the key points that how you can use this strategy. For this strategy, first of all, you will look at the 200 EMA. If the candles are below the 200 EMA, it's a very clear sign that we are into the downward trend, so we will not buy. Okay, and the second thing, that SSL hybrid should be turned red, and the third thing, RSI should be crossing or it should be below the 50 level for the sell position. So for example, you have taken a sell here, the RSI was also crossing, you have set up the stop loss at the previous high. So let's see how much you have targeted. If you look at here, you have targeted 2.17 ratio on this trade. Again, you can see we have a buy signal. We are really not interested in, because we are only sellers below the 200 EMA, and here we have a sell signal, set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then look at this, how much we have cash from this trade, 3.4 ratio here. But later on the signal get reversed, and if you look at here right now, this condition is very good to trade, because if you look here, then the market is above the 200 EMA. The SSL hybrid on the 1 minute USD JPY is blue, and if you look at here, the market is above the RSI line is above the 50 level. So what you have done here, so for example, your condition was going to met here, you can set up a stop loss at the previous low, and now you can target something like 2 or something as per your choice. Okay, so this is how you will be going to use this indicator. Okay, so for example, look at USD CAD. Okay, so at USD CAD, you can see we have a couple of sell signals, and also RSI didn't cross the 50 level. No worries about it. Here, from here, we have a beautiful trade, and you can see here we have turned into the blue color, set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and let's test how much it has given you. So if we test this one, you can see 2.59 ratio almost it has given from this trade. So this is how you will trade this indicator. Above the 200 EMA, wait for the SSL to color change its blue color. RSI should be above the 50 level, and then you can set up the risk and reward ratio. And this strategy is very powerful because I have personally tested this one, and please use the same settings that I have advised in this video. So guys, one more thing, it's a humble request for everyone who are watching this video, please subscribe FX Mentor, because lot of strategies are going to be uploaded on my trading channel. So please make sure that you subscribe and like this video, subscribe the channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.